For me, you don't chase forgetting. You just slowly remember who you were before you shrunk yourself to someone who couldn't handle you. At first, sakit yun na siya. Because you're already attached to that person. You miss their presence. Naitandog imong ego, no? Or you could have planned the future already with that person. So, that's why painful siya. But let me tell you, savor the pain. No? There are so many ways how to enjoy the pain. Diba? But healing doesn't look like dramatic closure, man God. It looks like peace that doesn't ask for attention. Let, let the world wonder where you are, what you're doing, what have you been up to, diba? It's when you stop checking also on that person, you stop checking their social media accounts, you stop asking someone or your common friends how they're doing, then you'll realize, you wake up one day ba, na you should start checking on your own peace of mind, not others. You start also realizing that ikaw, yourself, you deserve more attention than anyone else. No, that's how the process should be. Then you'll also reach to the point where ang tinuod na pangutana or the real question is no longer anong bibiyaan man ko, but the real question here already is anong dugay man ko ni Hawa, diba? I could have saved myself early, right? It's not being bitter, it's not being broken, but it's finally getting free from needing to be chosen. I don't need to be chosen. I am enough. So, you don't forget the heartache. You outgrow the pain. So I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye. It's holiday.